Irregular verbs. Awake, awake, awoke. The chicken awakes at dawn. The chicken awoke at dawn. The chicken will awake at dawn. Begin, begin, began. We begin again after we finish. We began again after we finished. We will begin again after we finish. Break, break, broke. She breaks her brother's toys. She broke her brother's toys. She will break her brother's toys. Bring, bring, brought. I bring a water bottle. I brought a water bottle. I will bring a water bottle. Buy, buy, bought. My grandparents buy me a new toy. My grandparents bought me a new toy. My grandparents will buy me a new toy. Catch, catch, caught. I catch the ball with one hand. I caught the ball with one hand. I will catch the ball with one hand. Choose, choose, chose. I choose to do the right thing. I chose to do the right thing. I will choose to do the right thing. Cut, cut, cut. I cut down the tree. I cut down the tree yesterday. I will cut down the tree tomorrow. Dig, dig, dug. My dog digs a hole in the yard. My dog dug a hole in the yard. My dog will dig a hole in the yard. Do, do, did. I do my homework after school. I did my homework after school. I will do my homework after school. Draw, draw, drew. My sister draws a beautiful picture. My sister drew a beautiful picture. My sister will draw a beautiful picture. Drink, drink, drank. He drinks a glass of milk. He drank a glass of milk. He will drink a glass of milk. Drive, drive, drove. My mom drives us to the park. My mom drove us to the park. My mom will drive us to the park. Eat, eat, ate. He eats a waffle for breakfast. He ate a waffle for breakfast. He will eat a waffle for breakfast. Fall, fall, fell. The cat falls out of the tree. The cat fell out of the tree. The cat will fall out of the tree. Feed, feed, fed. I feed the horses some hay. I fed the horses some hay. I will feed the horses some hay. Feel, feel, felt. I feel sick today. I felt sick yesterday. I will feel sick tomorrow. Fight, fight, fought. Siblings fight over silly things. Siblings fought over silly things. Siblings will fight over silly things. Fly, fly, flew. We fly in an airplane. We flew in an airplane. We will fly in an airplane. Get, get, got. I get a doll every year for my birthday. I got a doll last year for my birthday. I will get a doll next year for my birthday. Give. Give, gave. I give my dog a bone. I gave my dog a bone. I will give my dog a bone. Go. Go, went. We go to school this whole week. We went to school this whole week. We will go to school this whole week. Hang. Hang, hung. My dad hangs the picture on the wall. My dad hung the picture on the wall. My dad will hang the picture on the wall. Have. Have, had. I have too many bags. I had too many bags. I will have too many bags. Hear. Hear, heard. I hear voices outside. I heard voices outside. I will hear voices outside. Hide. Hide, hid. We hide behind the wall. We hid behind the wall. We will hide behind the wall. Hit. Hit, hit. He hits the ball very hard. Yesterday he hit the ball very hard. Tomorrow he will hit the ball very hard. Hold. Hold, held. I hold my mother's hand. I held my mother's hand. I will hold my mother's hand. Hurt. Hurt, hurt. My neck hurts very much. My neck hurt a lot yesterday. My neck will hurt more tomorrow. Keep. Keep, kept. I keep my money in a safe place. I kept my money in a safe place. I will keep my money in a safe place. Lose. Lose, lost. My teacher never loses her temper. My teacher never lost her temper. My teacher will never lose her temper. Make. Make, made. I make my bed every morning. I made my bed this morning. I will make my bed tomorrow morning. Mean. Mean, meant. If I make a promise, I mean it. If I made a promise, I meant it. If I am going to promise, I will mean it. Meet. Meet, met. We meet here every day. We met here yesterday. We will meet here tomorrow. Pay. Pay, paid. My parents pay for dinner when we go out. My parents paid for dinner when we went out. My parents will pay for dinner when we go out. Put. Put, put. I put the bags on the table. I put the bags on the table this morning. I will put the bags on the table later. Ride. Ride, rode. I ride the roller coaster at the park. I rode the roller coaster at the park. I will ride the roller coaster at the park. Ring. Ring, rang. My friends and I ring the doorbell. My friends and I rang the doorbell. My friends and I will ring the doorbell. Run. Run, ran. I run a mile every day. I ran a mile yesterday. I will run a mile next week. See. See, saw. I see a purple butterfly in the tree. I saw a purple butterfly in the tree. I will see a purple butterfly in the tree. Sell. Sell. Sold. They sell candy at the new store. They sold candy at the new store. They will sell candy at the new store. Send. Send. Sent. I send a letter to Santa at Christmas. I sent a letter to Santa last Christmas. I will send a letter to Santa this Christmas. Sing. Sing. Sang. My mom sings a beautiful song. My mom sang a beautiful song. My mom will sing a beautiful song. Sit. Sit. Sat. I sit next to my best friend. I sat next to my best friend. I will sit next to my best friend. Sleep. Sleep. Slept. I sleep on a pillow. I slept on a pillow. I will sleep on a pillow. Speak. Speak. Spoke. I speak 2 languages. I spoke 2 languages. I will speak 2 languages. Spend. Spend. Spent. I spend my whole allowance. I spent my whole allowance. I will spend my whole allowance. Stand. Stand. Stood. They stand close together because it is cold. They stood close together because it was cold. They will stand close together when it gets cold. Swim. Swim. Swam. I swim in the ocean. I swam in the ocean. I will swim in the ocean. Take. Take. Took. She takes all the candy. She took all the candy. She will take all the candy. Teach. Teach. Taught. This year I teach high school English. Last year I taught high school English. Next year I will teach high school English. Think. Think. Thought. I think about it all the time. I thought about it all the time. I will think about it all the time. Throw. Throw. Threw. I throw a ball to my friend. I threw a ball to my friend. I will throw a ball to my friend. Understand. Understand. Understood. All the students understand the work. All the students understood the work. All the students will understand the work. Write. Write. Wrote. I write a letter to you every day. I wrote a letter to you every day. I will write a letter to you every day. Wear. Wear. Wore. She wears a pretty dress. She wore a pretty dress. She will wear a pretty dress. Win. Win. Won. My team wins every game. My team won every game. My team will win every game. Visit InWorldschool.com.